Good morning, Mike. How are you?
Doing great. Thanks, Hunt. Thanks for joining us on this call.
Glad to be here this morning.
Okay. So tell us a little bit about the class and what you like, what you don't like, and what your results are.
Well, so far I've really enjoyed the class. I've been with training with you and the group for just about 3 months, in a week, and it's been exactly as advertised, and that's few and far between these days when you get what you pay for and you get what is actually advertised online or even in the newspaper locally. So that's a good start for me. Yeah. Um, as far as the results, they're exactly about what you talked about in your website, and when I talked to you before, you really talked about 1 to 2% per week, and that's right at where I'm at. We were just talking about this, and over the 3 months, I came in at 13.5% for 3 months of trading. So that's great. How could I ask for anything more than that right now to get started?
Outstanding.
Yep.
What do you think about the value of the class and the price of the class? You know, the class isn't $49,
Yep.
and it's not a pre-recorded video series or setup. Can you talk a little bit about that, please?
Right. Well, I think we kind of, when we talked about it before, that's one thing that a lot of people that get into Forex have been through, as far as, do I just pay this quick $99 and get this EA and be a millionaire overnight, or do I get the free training from my broker who I get my platform from, or something like that? And we've all been through that if you got into Forex at all for a little bit of time by yourself. And I went through some of those things. I did, and wasn't satisfied at all. And then I finally decided I needed to start teaching myself how to fish versus having somebody feed me signals. And that's when I started looking more at a mentor relationship. That's how I came to you. I was looking at some other ones, and we kind of talked about this other company before, and they were twice as expensive as you are. And that shows tremendous value against a competitor for what you have. And because I looked at his whole system, I talked with him many times before as well, and decided to come over to you because I got a better feeling with you. I liked your passion about the material better, and the price was better. So the value is definitely there.
Great. I really appreciate the comment. Would you
Yeah.
recommend our class to a friend?
I would. I would. It is a great value. A lot of people that are just getting started may not have the funds available to pay for the course. So that would be the only drawback I would see to them. I think somebody that's just starting might have a little bit of trouble with that. But in the big picture, you're going to pay it now, or you're going to pay it later. Like the old, was it Pure Later ad? You can pay me now, or you can pay me later.
Right.
And, a lot of people go through some serious emotional pain and financial devastation in the long run because they choose not to do this up front. And so that would be my recommendation. Scrape it up, get it together, get this going first instead of waiting. Because if you lose it all, you're out of the game, and it's harder to get back in than starting at the beginning the right way. So that's what I would say, make it happen. It's been well worth it for me. It'll be well worth it for you too.
Great. Thank you so much. Have a great
Yep.
day.
Thanks, Mike.